Hello everyone. I'm very happy to share you that I've been selected as a junior system administrator at ITC Infotech. So this is a big milestone in my career and I'm truly grateful for this opportunity. I wanted to express my sincere thanks to Evision team, Evision Techno Lab, where I've received my networking training. The quality of teaching, practical labs and continuous guidance played a major role in helping me crack this interview. A special thanks to Priya ma'am and Ganesh sir for their constant support, mentorship, and encouragement. Your way of explaining concepts and preparing us for the real world scenarios has made a huge impact in this learning journey. So, thank you once again to the entire Evision team for helping me build this confidence and technical skills needed to reach this level. I'm excited to start a new chapter with ITC Infotech and continue growing in the field of system administration. Thank you so much.